Just a little bit over here. Got a nigga touch some booty and shit. You know what I'm saying? You okay?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Still shaking, though?
Yeah, I know how it's like.
Yeah.
Every woman feels the same way after sex with me. They shake. I can shop at Nagoya. Yeah, you alright?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
You enjoy that?
I really did. Again, I told you guys I'm not perfect, but I tried. I tried today.
Alright, as far as I'm concerned, you're a professional to me. Just for today. Tomorrow I won't know. Okay? To other girls, anything you want to say to other girls out there that want to spin cars and they don't have cars? Actually have Yaris's and shit?
Well, try and get a nigga who does have a car, but otherwise, ladies, try and do your thing. Come through. Challenge me. You know, I want someone that can say, I want to challenge Kuto. That's all. Come through, do it. It's amazing. Challenge yourself, and let's go, girls.
Yeah, give me some very limited right now. I'm going to Alright, let's give it up, man. God bless you, baby girl. Take care. That's mine, dude. No, that's mine. This one. Banana Copari 2 or something. Bust me any bicycle. Hello. Yagos when you spin.